As I said, there is not just Scrum and Agility. There are other methods. The first of the methods, the other method we will say instead, is extreme programming. As the name suggests, it is mostly adapted to the world of software development, and the goal is to improve the capacity development of each member of the team. So I'm not going to go into the details of what is extreme programming. On the other hand, a very interesting point of the extreme programming is what we call the pair programming. This is a theory that says that by setting up a pair of developers, a master and a younger or disciple or Padawan, we're going to call it like that, this Padawan would learn much more quickly watching the master, which is a more experienced person, and development would be more effective afterwards. Well, you see this idea of pair programming? We can take it back and inject it into our Scrum. We have Scrum that we'll talk about throughout this training, so I'm not going to define it here. We have what we call the FDD, for Feature-Driven Development. The idea is to say, my purpose is that with each increment at each stage, I will develop a new functionality fully. One or more. It will depend on the speed of the team. We have what we call Lean Software Development, the Crystal, or the DSDM, for Dynamic System Development Method. There are plenty of different methods in Agility, and again, all of this you will be able to find in the comments. But above all, the goal is not to master them all by heart. The goal is to know what to draw from in these various methods to create your own toolkit as a project manager, and later we'll say Scrum Master.